Hi, welcome. Thanks for joining me. On this episode of Build Your Own, the 2022 Mazda MX-5 Miata trim levels and standard features are explained. I'll also go over the paint colors. Before I do, however, I just want to remind you that if you find this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And real quick before I get started, I just want to remind you to take a look at my 2023 Subaru BRZ trim levels video. I've put the link in the description below. The 2022 Mazda MX-5 Miata is a pure driver's car, well-balanced, lightweight, and an outstanding power-to-weight ratio. The MX-5 Miata's blend of engaging performance and nimble handling help the driver feel every ounce of driving enjoyment on just about any road. Whether driving through a winding canyon or a leisurely trip around the neighborhood, the MX-5 Miata encourages drivers to keep driving. For 2022, the Miata gets yet another engineering tweak to enhance its fun-to-drive nature in the form of Kinematic posture control. The way Mazda describes it, KPC is a brake-based technology that can reduce body roll, improve steering response, and enhance the effectiveness of the car's available limited-slip differential. Simply put, when taking corners at high speed, KPC applies light braking to the car's inner rear wheel to pull the car down on that corner. The 2022 Mazda MX-5 Miata is a small two-seat convertible roadster available in 3 trim levels: Sport, Club, and Grand Touring. Note that there's also the 2022 Mazda MX-5 Miata RF, which has a retractable hardtop. Mazda keeps it simple with the RF. The two-door, two-seat sports car is available in Club and Grand Touring trim levels. Each is equipped with a power folding roof that opens in 13 seconds and, when closed, makes the MX-5 RF look like a hardtop coupe. All MX-5 Miata models have a rear-wheel drive layout and come equipped with the Skyactiv G 2-liter engine that delivers an inspiring 181 horsepower at 7,000 RPM and 151 pound-feet of torque at 4,000 RPM. For 2022, MX-5 Miata Sport and Club models are exclusively paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, and MX-5 Miata Grand Touring is offered in either the manual transmission or a quick-shifting 6-speed automatic transmission with steering wheel paddle shifters. Now let's go over the MSRP, standard features, and available packages for the 2022 Mazda MX-5 Miata, starting with the base model Sport Convertible Roadster that has a starting MSRP of $27,650. The base MX-5 Miata Sport Convertible comes equipped with LED headlights and taillights, daytime running lights, variable intermittent windshield wipers, black power side mirrors, body color front bumper, rear bumper and door handles, black cloth convertible top, 16-inch aluminum alloy wheels in metallic black finish, high performance tires, air conditioning, cruise control, Mazda advanced keyless entry system, push button start, tilt and telescoping steering column, drivers and passengers vanity mirrors, 12-volt power outlet, mesh aero board wind blocker, glass rear window with defogger, bucket seats with reclining and forward back slide feature, driver's side seat tilt adjustment, black cloth trim seats, black seat back bar trim, leather wrapped 3-spoke steering wheel, shift knob and parking brake handle, AM/FM audio system with 6 speakers including driver's side headrest speakers, Bluetooth hands-free phone and audio streaming capability, speed sensing automatic volume control, auxiliary audio input jack, 2 USB audio input, steering wheel mounted audio, phone, and cruise controls, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, 7-inch full-color touchscreen, infotainment system voice command, HD radio, AHA, Pandora, and Stitcher Internet radio integration, SMS text message audio delivery and reply, rear cross traffic alert, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning system, rear view monitor, and tire pressure monitoring system. Next, you have the Club Convertible Roadster, and it has an MSRP of $31,150. The Club is the sportiest Miata, adding torque sensing limited slip differential, Bilstein dampers, front shock tower brace, black rear lip spoiler, black front air dam, 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels in metallic black finish, black cloth trim seats with light gray stitching, piano black seat back bar trim, heated seats with 3 heat settings, Bose 9-speaker audio system with subwoofer, wireless Apple CarPlay integration, and SiriusXM satellite radio with 3-month subscription. There's also a Club version of the Mazda MX-5 Miata RF, and it has a starting MSRP of $38,550. The Club RF gets these unique features over the convertible: Brembo front brakes, red painted front and rear brake calipers, power retractable fastback roof, 17-inch BBS wheels with dark gunmetal finish, aero kit that includes side sill extensions and rear bumper skirt in brilliant black, transparent wind blocker, 4.6-inch full-color LCD display for trip computer and roof status information, and heated Recaro sport seats. The Grand Touring Convertible Roadster is the most luxurious MX-5. It costs $32,650, and it builds off the Club minus the front and rear spoilers and adds auto on-off headlights, adaptive front lighting system, high beam control, rain sensing variable intermittent windshield wipers, body color heated power side mirrors, auto dimming driver side mirror, 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels in dark silver finish, automatic climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror with home link, leather trimmed seats, black door sill trim plates with stainless steel inserts, SiriusXM 3-year traffic and travel link subscription, Mazda navigation system, and traffic sign recognition system. And there's also a Grand Touring version for the RF, and it starts at $35,350. The Grand Touring RF has the exact same features as the Grand Touring Convertible, except the RF gets a 4.6-inch full-color LCD display for trip computer and roof status information. There's only one available package, and it's called the Brembo BBS Recaro package. This package is only available on the Club Convertible, and it includes Brembo front brakes with red calipers, Mazda rear brakes with red calipers, BBS forged 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels in dark gunmetal finish, aero kit that includes side sill extensions and rear bumper skirt in brilliant black, and heated black Recaro sport seats with gray accents. The Club RF comes standard with the Brembo BBS Recaro package. As for which 2022 Mazda MX-5 Miata to buy, I think the Grand Touring is the best one to get, whether convertible or hardtop, and if you can't operate a clutch pedal, you can get an automatic transmission. But it might be worth learning how to drive a stick just to extract maximum pleasure out of this car. Lastly, let's go over the paint colors for the 2022 Mazda MX-5 Miata. There are 7 available colors. Not every color is available on every trim level. This color is jet black, soul red, snowflake white pearl, machine gray, deep crystal blue, polymetal gray, and platinum quartz. Okay, that's it. I'm going to wrap this video up. I went over the trim levels, MSRP, standard features, available packages, which trim level to buy, and the paint colors for the 2022 Mazda MX-5 Miata. If you found this video helpful, informative, or entertaining, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.